Hey guys, Matty from BuiltRight here, and today we're going to be installing some bedside rack panels on this 2023 HD GM truck. These bedside racks are going to fit anything 2020 and up for the time being. Let's get into it. So in your kit, you're going to receive some of our GM mounting blocks. You're going to receive a few of our 5/16 channel nuts. You're going to receive a few 5/16 bolts, black 5/16 washers, some 1/4 inch button heads, and some push clips and bumpers. So in your 4-piece kit, what you're going to receive is a passenger side rear panel, a passenger side front panel, a driver side rear panel, and a driver side front panel. To complete this install, you're going to need a 3/16 Allen key, a 5/32 Allen key, a flathead screwdriver or some type of prying tool, and then optionally a set of needle nose pliers. In this install guide, we're going to be installing the panels on the driver's side, but it's the exact same on the passenger side, so feel free to follow along for both. So to begin the install, we're going to be removing these ovals from the bedside. There are 3 on each side. So depending on which panels you're installing, you're going to have to either remove 1, 2, or all 3. I'm going to go ahead and remove all 3 because we're doing the whole bedside. Feel free to use a pick tool or a flathead screwdriver to help you out, but they're pretty easy to get out. To install any of these panels, you're going to go through the same steps. You're going to take your 5/16 bolt with the black washer. You're going to put it through the slot, through the mounting block into the channel nut, and that'll be what we'll call the assembled state of the panel. So for the time being, we're going to leave the channel nut loose on here so that we can place everything in, and then we'll turn the bolt sideways. The channel nut will slide in to the block, and we'll just tighten everything down, and that'll pinch the channel nut and the block together. So we're going to be installing the front panel first. Doesn't matter which you do first, really. So we have the front panel loosely installed for now. We're going to go ahead and install the rear panel, and then we'll come back through and we're going to tighten everything down. Alright, so to get the channel nut to go into the block, sometimes what I'll do is I'll take a pair of needle nose pliers and I'll just grab the inside of the Allen head bolt and I'll spin it a little bit and I'll pull back. So now we're going to loosely install the button head screws into the threaded inserts that are in the front panel to connect the 2 panels, and then we're going to go back through and we're going to tighten down the 3 mounting bolts. So the final step is we're going to be installing some push rivets and bumpers to spring the panel off the bedside. So what I'm going to recommend you do is you go 3 slots up and then 1 slot in on the panel, and there's a rib in the bed, and we're going to try to spring it off the bedside right there, and there will be about the same spot on the front panels as well. And with that, your bedside rack panels are installed in your 2020 Plus HD GM truck. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to reach out. We'll see you soon.